Hello students. Now today is the class for session number 4. In the last class I will give you one task to do, that is in a book the page number is 69, that is in the lab. In the lab the question number is page number 69, page number 69, question number 1. I think all of you done the programs. Now same programs I will do in the board. We will check one by one so that your program will be correct or not. The output is like this. Serial number, name of city, SO2 and O2. Here three data are given, 1, 2 and 3. Delhi, Kolkata and Mumbai. 6, 14, 8. You can insert any data here. 28 and 33. Here status of air quality different in different city year 2007. So this is your output. So according to the output, how to input the codes. The first code, that is doc type HTML. Second one is on HTML. Third one is title. I'm giving here in the lab, then title close. After that, title close, then give captions. Then style type, text CSS, then table, open, border equals to four pixel solid blue, border space spacing 3 pixel and say 4 pixels. Caption site top. See, border 4x solid blue. This border here, the border will appear. This border will come in 4x pixel. The base of the border is 4x and the color of the border is blue. Next, border spacings. How much space again? This is the space, border spacing, horizontal and vertical. Here I am giving horizontal and vertical 3x and 4x. If you insert two values at the same time, the first value is horizontal, other one is vertical. Caption side is top. Here the heading of the table is given at the top, so here I am using caption side top. If you use it right here bottom, then this part will be appear in the bottom of the table. Okay. Next, curly bracket close, then TH, TD, TR. Here again I am using a border for each and every tables, each and every rows. Here for that we have to use here border 2 pixel, color is green. Next, TD padding. Padding equals to 15px. So for the TH table heading, for the table data, for the table row, the border is 2x, so it's green. This here the border is 2 pixel, and the color of this border will appear in green in color. The border will appear in green in color. Okay. Next, TD padding is 15 pixel. 15 pixel. So here, how much pixel you get? What is the difference here? This will come the, suppose this is one row, suppose data is 1. So here you get the space of 15 padding, 15 px. 15 px. This is used for the padding. Then style close, then head close. The head must be closed before the body. This part, the head must be closed. One thing left, that is left is the head is left. H-E-A-D. This head part must be closed before the body part. After body, when we are going to create table, the first step we have to give that is table. T-A-B-L. Otherwise, the table will not appear. Now, after tables. After adding the table tag, we have to write the coding for the tables. The coding for the tables are so. Now look at the table. Here, how many rows are there? One row, first row, second row, third row, and fourth row. For the first row, we have to use TR. TR is used for the creating row in a table. Next is TD. The first data is this is the heading of the table. Serial number, name, SO2, NO2 is the heading of the table. So we have to use here TH. TH is used for the heading of the table. So first data is TH, serial number, then TH close. Next, for data TH, name of cities, then TH close. Again TH, you see I am adding here SO2. 2 is the subscript. To create the subscript, the tags are different. I will use the subscript here SO2. At first you write the SO, then for subscript the tag is SUB, then write the value, then close of sub. sub tag is used to create the subscript. So value is 2, so I am writing here 2. If you write here 3, associate, then I write here 3. Same process, same thing. So I am giving here SO2. So sub tag is used to create the subscript with the numbers. So next is again th no2 is a subscript. So sub 2, then sub close. Here we have to close th, then close th. So our first row is finished. So when the first row finished, then close of tr. So our first row is finished. Next come for the second row. 1 Delhi 6 8 61. Don't write the data serial number 1 2 3. You have to go through like this way. The data should be entered in row wise, not column wise. Here I am using tier for row wise, so data should be used as a row wise. Don't make mistakes. For first row finish, for second row again start tr, then give td1 td, then td Delhi of td, then td 6 of td. If the letters are not visible, I just speak out, you hear it. td 61 close td. So now our second row is finished. So here you can close tr. Okay. So first row finished. This is for the first row. This is for the second row. So tr, th, td are contact tag. When you on tag and off tag must be in your program. So two row is finished. For the third row, again with tr, td2 of td, then td Kolkata. You can enter data as your own. You can change the data. td 14 close td, again td 28 td. Third row finish. So give close tr. For fourth row, this is for the third row. Now again start tr, td 3, td close, td Mumbai, td close, td 8, td 33 and close td. Then close tr for the fourth row. After closing, close table. This is the most important. When you're on table, you have to close the table also. Then close body, then close HTML. So our program is finished. So when we run the programs, after running programs, if you save it by using .html. If you not save the program by using .html, then this will be saved as a text file, not for the text file. Text file will not be appear in the web browser. So to display the program in web browser, we have to save the program by using .html. So when you run the programs, you will get the output like this. Now same program, I will show you the output in my computer. So this is the program which I was written earlier for your convenience. See the programs. See the programs, TR, TH, everything is given. Then after last tag is table, close body and close XML. So when you save this program by clicking save, then minimize the programs. If you run the programs, you see the output will appear like this. See here. Now, so blue color is the border for the first border, second one is the other borders. See, if you want to fill the border, fill that rows or cell with color, the tag is different. This is so when you write the programs, the output will appear like this. Now I have to make some changes in the tables. You see here. Now, if you want to change the whole column, a whole row as a color, background color, suppose serial number, name of city, then SO2 and NO4. Suppose you want to make the whole row in color, background color, then you have to use the one tag in the TR column, TR BG COLOR. Don't give any space between BG and color. BG color equals I am giving here red. Then you see this whole part, the background color of this cell of this row appearing red in color. Same process for first TR. If you use TR for the second, you have to use here TR BG color equals to say green. Then what happened? This whole part, this second row appear the background color of the second row appear green in color. But if you want to change different color in different cells, then you have to use here. If you use TH BG color equals to green, then accept BG green, that is 1, then TH, not 1, that is serial number, I think, serial number, then close TH. You see here, I am using a TR for complete row, but in this second part, I am changing the cell number TH in green color, so accept serial number. All the 3 cell appear red in color and this cell appear green in color. So you can edit our programs one by one. You can change the programs, change the color, change the size, change the padding, at first make the program, see the output, again change the BG color, change the borders, properties, and look at the output. In this way you can clear your doubt. Thank you.